The HZ30E will need to be cleaned at the end of every operation shift. To clean the pump, the whole machine can be washed down with low pressure water. The metal parts or inside of the hopper can be power washed. But if you're using a power washer, stay away from the electrical components such as the motor drive, control panel, and the electric motor. Especially in coastal areas with salt water, this unit will have to be washed down on a regular basis. The hopper can now be flushed out by opening the hopper bottom door. Please be sure to dispose of the waste material in a proper manner. Once we have clean water introduced into the hopper, we can turn the machine on and clean the rotor stator tube first. Once we have clean water at the end, remove the material line and wash out the inside of this conical reducer. We want to be sure we have clean water coming out of this reducer. And also remember, when opening cam locks, be sure that the line pressure has been relieved.